I'm Charlotte, and this is cbdhelpme.org. Today I want to go over a question that I get about 20 times a week, if not more. And it is, if I have Parkinson's or tremors, a lot of different kinds of tremors, how much CBD should I be taking every single day? So when I first did my interview with Dr. Robert Rogers, working with Parkinson's recovery and working with tremors, I had a basic idea of how much people should be taking. But after doing lots of research with customers directly, figuring out exactly what works and what doesn't work, the thing that I have found is 6 to 10 milligrams of pure CBD every single day makes a huge difference. So one of the recommendations that I also say is that you need to take half of that in the morning and half of it in the evening. So that could be 3 to 5 milligrams in the morning and 3 to 5 milligrams in the evening. Spreading it out gives your body more time to absorb and use it throughout the day. It also relaxes your body at night so that you can actually get better sleep. A lot of customers are telling me that when CBD first starts working in their system, it lowers their anxiety and helps their sleep. As soon as you're getting better sleep, your body is able to rejuvenate more, allowing the CBD to actually do more work inside your body. So biggest question that I get is, how many milligrams should I be taking? And my personal recommendation is 6 to 10 milligrams a day. Now that is a minimum 6 to 10 milligrams. I do have a number of customers who have taken that minimum and gone above and beyond. There's two reasons for that. One, the Mayo Clinic says that there is no lethal dosage of CBD. That means you cannot overdose, you cannot take too much. Number two, it is unlike something like vitamin C, where if you take too much, your body excretes it out. No. Everything that you take is going to be absorbed and used. So although I say 6 to 10 milligrams a day, I have a lot of customers that take way more than that, probably 20, 30 milligrams a day. Some customers say that they see relief faster using higher milligram dosage, where I've also had customers say that they didn't really see it work any faster. It still took a number of days and or weeks to work for them. That's another question that I get a lot, is how long until I see relief? And every single person is different. Unfortunately, there is no set time to say, oh, take this product and you're going to get relief within 20 minutes. You're going to get relief within 24 hours. No, because the human body is so complex, each person is different. That's why you can have a room full of 10 people that all have been diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, and every single person is going to have different symptoms. That's because the human body is different for each person. So because of that, taking CBD is going to work differently on each person. I've had customers take CBD and get relief within the first day, within the first couple days, the first week. And I've also had customers take high dosage CBD and not get relief for a couple weeks. And this is because it takes time to unblock these receptors in the brain. It takes time for your body to figure out where it is it needs to be sending that CBD to help you. So I really want to let you know that it could be 6 to 10 milligrams a day. It could be 20 to 30. It all just depends on each person. But my general recommendation is to start with 6 to 10 milligrams. Now, if you are looking for CBD, please do not hesitate to email me at charhelpme@gmail.com. Again, that is CHARHELPME@gmail.com. Char Help Me. And I would be more than happy to advise you on dosage recommendations specific to your situation, and then also offer you my products. And I look forward to helping you in the future. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you liked what you saw, please hit the like button and go ahead and subscribe so you can get notifications about new videos as they come out.